It's time for another episode of the Verb of the Day with simple and easy Arabic.
Sleep. Sleep as an imperative masculine. نام.
How do we conjugate the verb in the simple present?
أنا بنام. أنت بتنام. أنتي بتنامي. أنتو بتناموا. نحنا مننام. هو بينام. هي بتنام. هنن بيناموا.
Let's see how we conjugate the verb in the simple past.
أنا نمت. أنت نمت. أنتي نمتي. أنتو نمتوا. نحنا نمنا. هو نام. هي نامت. هنن ناموا.
Let's put them in sentences. I will sleep after a while. When I wake up, I will let you know.
أنا رح نام بعد شوي. بس فيق بخبرك.
Where did you sleep yesterday?
وين نمت امبارح؟
The guys still didn't sleep because they are very busy.
الشباب لسه ما ناموا لأنه كتير مشغولين.
Become a Patreon to get access to much more study material. Check it out now. Did you enjoy this video? You can support us by liking and subscribing. Thanks!